Ow, my foot. I always find it really difficult to get these connectors off. But I'm going to put the cage apart and I'm going to put the and I'm probably going to put the corks against the wall too, to give my dad room to build it. So right. I'm just leaving the hay racks zip tight onto the... Oh no. Why is it so difficult? It just makes it easier for me, because then I'll just be zip tying afterwards anyway, so I may as well leave them. Another reason that I decided to move the cage up to stop them, but I still didn't really feel comfortable with it, so. Hello, Dandy. Hello, sweetheart. This is to stop the dogs coming in and disturbing the guinea pigs. Because we used to have before. They're on a DIY stand out of old wood. This is from an old bed. And then let's show you, start off with over here. She's got the hay in, I just need to fill that up. This is my litter that I use for that litter tray. Let's show you underneath. Then I have my fleece, and it's folded up and kept under here. Timothy hay. We've got their carrier, and this big box has all guinea pig stuff. And we come out behind that stuff. That's what my nuggets look like. I'd recommend those. Their hay racks, that sort of thing. So here it is. It's a 6x3 CNC. The Dandelion has a 2x3 over here, and she was never socialised as a pup, which is fine. She's okay. So I keep the guinea pigs on fleece because, in my opinion, it's the best bedding because it's got no dust. So that's why I use fleece. It's also very comfy for them. Underneath the fleece blankets, I've got these bed pads, and I've got another Inco pad there because she pees a lot there because her hay rack's there. They tend to leak less than the plastic bottles. There's a small one. It's only a small hay rack because that's all she needs. And then for her little corner house, which she loves to snooze in, I've put vet bedding. She has a really poorly leg, so it's healed in a very bad way, and it means it's still very uncomfortable for her, and it's hard for her, it is uncomfortable. So this vet bedding she really loves because it's a nice cushion for her leg. They have two sources of hay. This is a bent CNC grid, and it doesn't fall onto the floor, it falls into another cage where it can be eaten. Oh. So you've got this cardboard tunnel, which they still love it. They more than the outside, but yeah, they don't like it as much as that sort of material. But that one's a lot more expensive, so I kind of saved those for like their birthdays. And then I've got this long tube, which is like a pipe. It's well, it's really old now because we used it for the last herd of guinea pigs. I had 4 females and 4 males, but the females, they all got on fine, and their guinea pigs all died. So when I got guinea pigs of my own, I thought I'd bring it in and have it for these guys. So I love bendy log bridges, and inside the bendy log bridge, Willow is asleep. And I've just got it curved around like that, so I can like see who's in it when I'm sat on my bed. Then here's the big wooden house, like a cottage thing. So got that. Hello. Hello, Snowy. Hello. This is my neutered boar. Mr. Snow. Mr. Snow. Thanks for watching.